Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on a server-side template injection lab in Portswigger's Web Security Academy. It is server-side template injection with information disclosure via user-supplied objects. So we need to access sensitive data this time instead of deleting a file. And the framework's secret key. Interesting. Then we have our own credentials. Let's copy this. So I assume this is going to be like one of the earlier ones we did with those credentials. Let's see. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Appreciate that. Let's go to my account and log in. Come on. And so I think it is going to be in the edit template. Sorry, couldn't speak. What the heck is going on? Come on. Sorry, I don't know what's deal is here. There we go. All right. Sorry, we want to go to home, view details, and edit template. Sweet. All right. So, oh, look at this product. That's interesting. So that's something we have. Let's go through our progression. So we'll start with this. That failed. So we're going to go down to this, not to this. Ooh, we got an error. So what do we got? We got Django. Let's see what was there. Could not parse the remainder. All right. So we know it's Django, and we know that we need to get sensitive data. So what we can do is let's go to burp, proxy, HTTP history, and look at this one. I'm going to send this to intruder, actually. I'm going to go clear. I'm going to highlight the 7x7 and do add, because that's where I want to insert my attack. The payloads, I'm going to go simple list, add from list, and I'm going to look for server-side variable names. So here's a bunch of variable names. There's a lot, 2,500. Let's do this proxy. So what I want to do is I want to know if something gets hit. And so I want to take a look at, this was so I want to look at this. So anything between ID, preview, and div. So let's write that. What was it? It was intruder, options, add, start after expression. This was, oh, crap, Totally forgot what it was, and I can't switch to that screen. ID preview results. Let me copy this. And also the error one. So that was this one. And that was P class is warning. So that first one will go to until a div. The second one will go until an end P tag. All right. Now let's go to back to intruder, click add. We're going to put this here, start after, end at div. Okay. Add, start after this, end at P. Okay. And I do this only when I have a ton. And with 2,500, that's a ton to me. That's fine. I think we're good. Let's start attack. Let me close this and discard. So this was our original, the 7x7. And I'll probably just pause the video, let this run, and then we'll look at the results. Okay, see you in a second. Okay, so it looks like this is just about done. We've got another 60 or so left to go through. We can start looking at the results. So we're looking for anything in either of these two columns. Wow. Oh, wait, there's something. Settings. And this produced user settings holder. Interesting. See if there's anything else. Well, something else. There we go. What is this? Product. Okay, so this looks just like a dictionary object. I don't think that's going to be very useful. And 3 and 1. Huh. Interesting. Okay. So it looks like setting and product is the only two that returned results. There's product. And there's setting. Settings. All right. This looks like an object. User settings holder. So let's take this quest, send to intruder, and clear. Let's do a dot, add, and do the same attack. So options, we want to do the same, which is div ID preview results, add. Div that, end add div. Okay, and then add P is warning P. All right, let's do that. Was there anything else I need to do? No, I don't think so. I'm gonna move this off screen just in case. Do we need it? We know it's settings. And I don't think we need this anymore. So I'm going to turn it off. Close it. Okay. Let's run this. Oh, palette. course, I have to enter the payloads. We're just going to do the exact same thing. Try to find out some of the properties of that settings object. All right, again, I'll just pause the video until this is done. You know, while this is running, let's look up the Django settings thing here, whatever it's called. Chrome. Django settings. Django settings. We want the... I think we want this one. Ref settings. Oh, yeah. There are a lot of them. All right, let's see if we can pull this list out. How are we going to do that? Probably in JavaScript. Inspect. So this is part of a UL. So I'm clicking here and now I can use this $0. So what if I did else const else equals document dot get elements by class name and have it be pre, just like that. And that should be all the elements. And then we can pull out the names, which is the text content. So for let's const a in, I don't know, of, because it's an array, else console.log a.text content. Let's try that. I don't know if that's gonna work. Nope, undefined. Let's do else 0 L0 dot text content. That's what we want. Ha! Sweet. There we go. Now we can take this list and use it in our intruder. Oh my gosh, it's a big list. Oh crap, this got a lot of junk stuff. What did I do wrong? ULs. Did I? Oh, let's do. All right, let's try again. For const settings equals $0 dot get elements by class name. That's what I wanted. Pre. Dot text content. Boom. Okay. Now we want that same for loop. So for B for setting. Do we need the, sorry, we need for const setting in settings. Oh no, of settings, remember. Of settings. Whoops. Damn, autocorrect. Boom. We want console.log setting.text content There we go. That looks better. Well, I don't know if it actually looks better yet. No, we don't want. Let's copy this. Sweet. Copy. Now, let's go here and Vim Django settings.txt. Paste that. And we need to delete this first part. So I'll do Control V in Vim, highlight that all the way up. Whoops. That last one was absolute. I didn't want to delete that one. Okay. $172 options. So there better be something in there. All right, we've got this now. Let's see if we actually need that list. Because I'm hoping that this just shows something. Oh. Configure. What's it saying? Runtime settings already configured. Interesting. Okay. See if there's anything else. Nothing. All right. Let's remember configure. I don't think we'll need it, but possibly. I'm going to close this. Oh, you know what I should have done? Position, send to intruder. Oh, no, I can just use the same one. Payloads, though. I want to do a simple list, and I want to clear load. Not in SSRF. We want SSTI. That one. Everything else will remain the same. All right, let's send that. Ooh, we already got some stuff. We got lots of stuff. Yes. That's awesome. Okay. American Chicago. Here's the cache. Interesting. Dictionary list, true. What's that one? Append slash. CSRF token. Failure view. No. No. What's this? Data. Oh, input formats. We don't care. Debug. Huh. That's interesting. I don't know if we can use that. We'll have to check. Go back in. Localhost. Email port. So we're just looking for maybe objects, maybe information. Oh, look at that. Isn't that what we need? I think that's what we need. I'm just going to look through the rest. to see what we got. Sweet. I think this is what we need to solve this. What do we need? Submit the framework secret key. That's the framework secret key. Ha! Sweet. All right. Well, let's exploit this with Python and then submit it as the solution. Right there. All right. So we want, what is this one called? This one's called, oh, it's got a terrible name. Information disclosure via user supplied objects. That's what I'm going to call it. Vim information disclosure via user supplied objects.py. Let's grab our template. We already have one that we did a template on. So I'm gonna, not that one. I know because I'll know it when I see it because it has a login of this one. Has the login of that. So we can do this, and to here. No, we need this too. We need this too. We took practically the whole thing. Boom. I'm going to go down here and delete this line. Go to the top. Import RE. All right. Login. Shop. We can do that. That's fine. Payload is going to be settings.secret key. Template will be boom, boom, not quotes. I think that's right. So we got, oh, but we need doubles. Crap. I don't think we can do this because we need, I'm just going to put it in instead of screwing around with it. Settings.secret key. Do not an F. Comment that out. Data. Template. We're going to submit it. Get the results. And then print the results. Okay. Sweet. Let's see how far we got. Boom. There. We need Python information disclosure -d and paste that. While that's going, I'm going to start closing some of these that we don't need anymore. Okay. Hey, looks like we got it. Awesome. So now we just need to submit that. Shop.submit. Is that in sight? Submit solution, and we just need to provide it with the solution. So submit, whoops. solution, and we're going to provide it with the solution, which is called res. And then we'll do shop.is solved. Let's do it. This was a cool one. I liked it. Trying to figure out what's available so we could, boom, got it solved. Let's go here, get our banner. Boom. Yeah, so we did some stuff here. First off, we used this intruder payload list that's built in called server-side variable names. And we found out first that it was Django, and then we used this list to see what was available. From this, we saw that there was 2 settings and product. Product was a dictionary. I didn't think we'd get very far there, so we focused on settings. Using settings, we ran it again ran the same attack as a dot to see if there's any of those that was a property of the settings object. That failed. We didn't get anything useful back from that. Next, we went to the Django documentation and looked up all the settings stuff. Used JavaScript to extract a list. Once we had that, we went back and used intruder to extract anything that was, or to run it with there to see if any of these properties would be useful. While going through the list, we found secret key, and that was exactly what we needed to solve it. So we just wrote our script to do the same steps, to submit the settings dot secret key, retrieve those results, and then submit them as a solution. There's the settings dot secret key. Very cool. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Goodbye.